Hey guys, Jig here once again from Home Empire Properties page, and in this video we're going to give you updates. We're going to feature Bella Vista, okay, by Dolmar Land. Okay, today actually is an open house here at Bella Vista. Okay, folks, so this is now the Bella Vista subdivision. As you can see, so many houses were already built, and this is actually already a community. Many buyers had already moved to their new house. Okay, all right. At a price of 10,000 pesos only, you can reserve this property. Okay, down payments can be payable from 36 to 48 months with just around 10,000 pesos monthly. Okay, so what are you waiting for? If you're interested to acquire this property, please do contact Home Empire Properties page and we'll be happy to assist you. Hey guys, this is Jig once again from Home Empire Properties page, and in this video we're going to feature Bettina model. So right behind me is the Bettina model, which has a floor area of around 63 square meter and a lot area of 80 square meter. As you can see guys, no, yung bahay is meron kayong space dito sa harap. Okay, upon turnover, by the way, hindi kasama yung fence na to at saka yung gate na ito. So it's up for the buyer kung anong design yung gagawin nyo later on, kung paano nyo pagagandahin yung gate at saka fence niyo. Alright, come on guys. So right here on the side of this house, this is gonna be your carport area. Okay, kasyang-kasya po dito ang SUV. As you can see, very lengthy yung space dito sa gilid ng bahay. Ngayon, kung wala naman kayong sasakyan, pwede nyo i-utilize yung space na to as an extension for your house, or also if you are a plant lovers, pwede nyo gawing garden yung gilid ng bahay na ito. Okay? So, dito naman sa taas na to, makikita nyo yung mini terrace dyan. Okay? Later on, mamaya, pupuntahan natin yung loob ng bahay para makita nyo. Okay. Gusto ko rin kayong invite dito sa likod ng bahay. Okay? Upon turnover, guys, no? Kasama yung space dito sa likod. Okay? Meron kayong countertop dito. Again, you have power outlets right here. At kung mapapansin nyo sa taas banda, open space. Okay? So, this area, you can use this as your service area, laundry area, or kung may pets kayo, pwede nyong gawing paliguan yung area nito ng mga favorite pets ninyo. Okay? Meron din kayong isang door dito. So, from inside of the house, this is gonna be your exit door. Papunta rito sa my service area. Okay, folks. So, come on in. Tingnan naman natin yung loob ng bahay. Again, there's also another door right here. Okay? Para pag nandito kayo, halimbawa, may sasakyan kayo at gusto nyo pumasok ng bahay, hindi nyo kailangang umikot sa harap. Meron na kayong entrance dito. Alright? Okay, come on in. Again, tingnan nyo yung space dito sa harap ng bahay. Okay? It's almost around 2 meters dito sa frontage ng bahay ninyo. So, pwede nyong gawing mini garden dito, no? Or pwede rin kayong gumawa ng mini landscape area nyo dito. Alright? So, look at this guys. So, this is gonna be your living area. Okay? Pasok po kayo. So, by the way, upon turnover, ang gagamitin dito na tiles dito sa floor is gonna be 60 by 60 centimeter ceramic tiles. the walls are gonna be fully painted. Okay? Ganun din yung ceiling, fully painted. Okay. By the way, yung bahay kasi nito is already dressed up. We will show you later on kung ano yung actual turnover unit. But nonetheless, ang ibibigay na bahay sa inyo is ganito rin. Okay? Of course, excluded lang dyan yung mga prosthetic na nilagay nila dito. So, for the most part, usually your living area, okay, makikita nyo is actually spacious. Alright, in this design, nilagay nila yung couch dito. Okay? So, ang ganda dito kapag, halimbawa, galing kayo ng trabaho at gusto nyong manood, mag-relax. This is gonna be spacious. Then, you can put your TV set right there. Okay? So, maganda rin yung pagkakadesign nito. And also, I would like to emphasize, maganda rin yung materials na ginamit dito sa may door nila. Okay? It's a steel door, kaya very durable. And moreover, kung makikita nyo dito sa ilalim ng hagdanan, they utilize the extra space right here. Okay? You can put your extra stuff here. Okay? So, again, it's still quite spacious sa ilalim ng stair ninyo. Okay? So, right here, ginawa nila dito is they put their dining table right here. Now, for this design, ang ginamit nila is 4-seater dining table, but as you can see, it's still quite spacious. Alright? So, kasyang-kasya dito ang 6-seater dining table. Alright? So, integrated na dito sa living area ninyo yung kitchen area. Now, right here, meron kayong countertop. Okay, upon turnover, by the way, kasama na yung countertop. Okay, meron na rin kayong cabinet dito sa ilalim ng countertop. Alright, of course, you can put your fridge here. Okay, ito naman is prosthetic na lang. Hindi po kasama ito upon turnover, but again, kung kayo ang magmamayaran ng bahay later on, pwede yung pakabitan to ng modular cabinets dito sa area na ito. Okay, of course, kasama na rin tong faucet dito, yung sink, and you have your window here. Okay? Which is a good thing dahil alam niyo na pag nagluluto kayo at gusto nyong magkaroon ng enough ventilation, you can open this window here. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na door that leads to your carport area. Okay? So kung galing ka ng trabaho, tapos pagka baba ng sasakyan, you can use this door as your entry point to your house. Okay? By the way, this property comes with a 2 toilet and bath. So, dito sa baba, okay, meron kayong isang toilet and bath right here. Alright? Naka-integrate na rin dyan yung shower area. Okay? Puntahan naman natin dito yung likod. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na you have another door going to the back of your house. Okay? This leads you to your service area. Yung tinignan natin kanina. Okay? Alright? Alright, moving on. Let's go to the second floor. So, by the way, guys, ito naman yung stair. Okay? Yung stair nila, yung stepboard, it's made of wood. Alright? Then, just right here, this is the steel handrail. So, kasama na po yan upon turnover of the house. Alright? I really like the sturdiness of the materials used here. Alright? It looks sturdy and strong. Ganun din yung steel handrails na ginamit nila dito. Okay? Come on guys, samahan nyo ako dito sa taas. Alright? Okay. Here on the second floor, you have a total of 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. So, tingnan muna natin yung first bedroom nila. Alright? Okay. So, this is gonna be the first bedroom. Okay? So, I just want to emphasize guys na meron kayong outlet dito for your air condition unit. So, naka-provision na yan. So, upon turnover, hindi nyo na po problemahin yung electrical outlet for your aircon dahil naka-provision na po yan. Then, meron din kayong power outlet pa dito. Alright? You have your own window right here. So, look at this guys. Yung, for demo purposes, ang ginamit nilang bed dito is, I think this is the queen size bed. So, as you can see, very spacious siya. Kahit queen size bed na yung ginamit na bed nila is still you still have pretty much enough space right here. You can put your cabinet here, closet here, and so forth. Okay? Now guys, tingnan nyo yung ceiling. No? Medyo mataas yung clearance ng ceiling from ground to the ceiling. Kaya you have enough ventilation here. Hindi masyadong mainit dito sabagat mataas yung ceiling nila. Of course, meron na yung kasamang ceiling. Alright? Okay. This is your common toilet here on the second floor. Alright? It comes with the complete fixtures as well. Alright, come on in. Ito naman yung second bedroom nila. Alright, so just like the other room, your second bedroom here also has a provision for your air condition unit right here. It has its own window. So dito naman, ginawa nila is, assuming this is for just a single person, no? Naglagay sila dito ng single size bed, which is still, you still have a very decent space right here. Okay? So, okay naman siya dito. Right? Then, naglagay din sila dito ng cabinet. Of course, kung may closet ka, pwede mo rin ilagay dito sa area na ito. Okay? That's the second bedroom. And now, this is the third bedroom. Again, just like the other rooms, guys, ang maganda rito, meron din provision for your air condition unit. Again, meron kang sariling window dito. I really like this room to be specific because it comes with the two windows. Okay? So, again, kung mainit, pwede mong buksan yung windows mo for added ventilation. Okay, you have also power outlets here. Right? Okay, and some more outlets right there. So again guys, you have two windows here and the space are pretty much decent for this room. So if you're working individuals, you can also use this as your working area. Okay, if you have kids, this can also serve as your playroom area for your children. Last but not the least, of course, is the terrace area right here. Okay, then sa baba niyan, makikita nyo yung carport area mo dito. Then, during night, of course, pwede kang mag-stay dito sa lugar na ito habang nagkakape or, you know, drinking your favorite wine. Okay? I really like the place here and the view right down under. Okay, so just right there is your stair area. Then you have two windows, okay, which will add sunlight to come into your house, especially during daytime without turning on your lights. Okay, look at this very modern looking stair here and of course the place. Alright folks, for any questions, queries, or concerns, please feel free to contact Home Empire Preppers PH and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hey guys! Update po tayo. Alright? Now, pag-usapan naman natin ang financial perspective ng property na ito. For you out there interested to acquire this property, the down payment is actually payable from 36 to 48 funds and it's roughly around 10,000 per month. And of course, if you want to reserve this property, the reservation fee is only 10,000 pesos. Now, in terms of the total contract price or TCP of this property, again, this is the Bettina unit. Its price point starts from 5 million and up. As you can see, folks, yung property na ito, no, is actually be turned over to you, fully finished. Naka-tiles na rito sa ground floor using the 60 by 60 centimeter ceramic tile. Tapos yung walls mo is already fully painted. Alright? Ganun din yung ceiling. Then sa second floor, it's already vinyl finish yung floor with the 3 bedrooms, fully finished na rin, with ceiling fully painted na rin. Okay? Wala ka nang halos ipapagawa dito sa loob ng bahay, titiran mo na lang. Ang pwede mo lang ipagawa dyan, of course, is yung sa harap because you have to, of course, construct your own fence and gate in front of the house. Tapos kung sa corner ka naman, of course, ipapasaraduhan mo yung sa gilid ng bahay. Okay? Alright folks, if you have any questions, queries, or concerns, please feel free to contact Home Empire Properties page and we'll be happy to assist you. Ang sarap po magkape, lalo na kapag sarili mo yung bahay. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Alright folks, if you have any questions, queries, or if you would like to schedule for a property site viewing, please feel free to contact Home Empire Properties PH and we will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching and bye for now.